waggling up the road with a carry-on little suitcase, because I'm getting the train to Cambridge. So it's like 2 long trains. So it's just easier to like get around train stations with a like pulley suitcase rather than a big bag. So, but I didn't think the whole getting to the train station part with a little suitcase. And I'm having to wear my coat because I can't carry it. Oh, there's like flies. I haven't done my lashes or my eyebrows yet because I have like a 2-hour train journey ahead of me. And that's one of my favourite things about getting the train, is that I can just do my makeup. I used to work like half an hour away from my town, and I'd get the train every day at like 7:30. So I literally did my whole face of makeup every morning on the train. It was perfect because I could sleep a bit longer knowing that I'm just gonna get on the train with no makeup and come off the train with makeup. But I'm pretty sure every time I get the train somewhere in the morning, I scare the people at the station because I have like my face done but I don't have my eyes done. I'm hoping I've got time to print my tickets. I am also hoping that I have enough time at London St Pancras to get some lunch, because classic me ate breakfast at 11. I got hungry right before I was gonna leave, so I just grabbed some snacks. The snacks don't keep me going. I need like hot food, so hopefully I'll have time to eat lunch at St Pancras. I made it on time. That's the first one here. I win. I just looked again and I do have 48 minutes wait at St Pancras for my next train, so I definitely have time to eat lunch. I'm really happy about that. I also just love walking around St Pancras station. There's just so much to do and to look at, and it's really cool. It's like my favourite train station, so that's cool.
Pancras International, we will be calling Stratford International.
Gonna do my makeup now.
This is a southeastern service to St Pancras International.
My bag looks great.
Ashford International.
Snack haul. from St Pancras to King's Cross to get some lunch and then wait for my next train. And here's me sitting with my lunch outside Lyon. And basically, as I'm sitting there filming my lunch, a celebrity walked past me, who you're about to see. So here I am opening up my lunch, doing a nice little video, and I just happened to pan up and see Ed Westwick there, and I got him on video.